Final show you know for section 3.1. Give one reason why negative 5 squared and negative 5 squared are different. And the difference is the negative is part of the base only on the first one. So it's inside the brackets, so the negative is part of your base, whereas on this one it's a positive base and the negative is applied afterwards. Part B, give one reason why negative 5 squared and negative 5 squared are similar. Well, the exponents are the same. I could also say that it uses the number 5, but our bases are different. It's a negative 5 on this base and a positive 5 on that base, so I'm just going to stick with the exponents are the same. Evaluate negative 3 squared. So negative 3 is part of our base, so it's negative 3 times negative 3. Negative times negative becomes positive, and 3 times 3 is 9, so it's a positive 9. On this one, negative 3 squared, our negative is applied after the fact, and then it's 3 squared is kind of in brackets, so that's negative, and then 9, so negative 9. It's always a good idea to write out your work on this, each step as you go, so that if you do make a mistake, you'll be able to go back and see where it was, and then learn from that mistake. So negative 3 to the 5th power, negative 3 is the base, so it's negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3, negative 3, and negative 3, which it's an odd exponent, so sure I could pair these up, but I'm going to have one negative left over once I've done that, so it is going to be a negative answer. And if you calculate 3 to the 5th power, it's going to be 243, so it's a negative 243. Now, if you use brackets, actually you don't need brackets. If you enter in negative 3 on your calculator, and then that's your base, then push the power button, and then your exponent, it will give you the correct answer of negative 243. But practice using negatives with the exponent button so that you understand how it works, so that you don't make mistakes when you're working with them. And so for part 4, negative is not part of the base, so this becomes negative, and then your power is inside brackets, 3 to the 5th. And we know that 3 to the 5th is equal to 243, but the negative is outside of the brackets, and then you can clean it up and write your answer of negative 243. So that is the end of 3.1.